everyone, this is me Randy and welcome back to a brand new video. And if you have not checked out my how to make a foam board insert for a bigger Ita bag video, I will leave that link in the description box down below if you want to check it out for yourself. The video has become so popular, I thought I can continue the series and show you guys how to make a foam board insert for smaller Ita bags. So without further ado, let's begin. So first off, I will tell you guys the items that you need in order to create a foam board insert for smaller Ita bags. First, you need a pair of scissors. Next, a hot glue gun with extra glue sticks if necessary. Some fabric. A pack of smaller foam board inserts. I will leave the link to the foam boards in the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing them yourself. And finally, the items that you're using to place on your Ita bag foam board insert. First, you're going to take the foam board out of the packaging and place one inside of the transparent portion of your Ita bag. You're going to measure it to make sure that the foam board fits in place. And if you need to do so, take out your pair of scissors and cut around the edges of the foam board until it fits inside of your Ita bag. I placed my foam board inside of my Ita bag off camera to make sure that it fit, and it did, but there was only one problem. It is the fact that the foam board was a bit thick, so I decided to scrape off some of the foam inside of the foam board. So if you need to do this step, I highly recommend you to do so. Next, you're going to take your hot glue gun in your fabric and you're going to put hot glue all around the foam board, and then you're going to place the fabric on top of the hot glue. And yes, that is it for this how-to video. This has been Brandy, and as always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. And also, please feel free to check out all my other social media platforms. All the links will be in the description box down below. So yes, I will talk to you all in the next video.